So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of these, you see these stains here from like turmeric and stuff. This is when you spill some curry on you or anything turmeric related or oil. And let's see if this method works, yeah? I'm going to do a live demonstration. So firstly, the things you need are, you need some vinegar. You just need a little bit, by the way. I just took the whole thing. You need some bicarbonate of soda, and you also need some washing up liquid. So step one is to put a little bit. I'm gonna do, because I can show you, I have the bowl here. I'm gonna pour a little bit. I genuinely think that's all you need for this whole removal process. I'm gonna keep that right here so you guys can see it. So step one, I'm literally just gonna put the toothbrush and, you know, spread it out all over. Boom, boom, boom. So we want to make sure it goes in nice and deep. Yep, just do that around all those yellow bits.
There you go. Do that. The only reason I'm doing this is because I genuinely like these pair of jeans. I don't often like jeans. This one's staying here. Staying here. Here.
So now step two is to get this, the powder, the white powder. What I'm gonna do is just open it up and just, let me see if I can just, maybe if I can just do that. Yeah, something like this should do justice.
Make sure it's all over, everywhere you want it to be.
That's literally all you need. And this is my first time trying this. Oh, something in my mouth. But yeah, I've seen a couple of videos and you know what I'm about. Just about seeing whether people are chatting rubbish on the internet or if their theories work.
Well, hands-on kind of person as well, so boom, 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 boom.
Let's just bring you guys back closer so you guys get a better view.
You know what, just add a bit, don't need too much, but yeah, just add a bit of it to everything. Because I guess it makes sense, because when you're washing up, when you like washing a plate or anything, you use this stuff, and food's on a grill, you just use this and it should get rid of the food. It's my theory, anyways. But yeah, I really scrub in like circular motions. I'm sure that does something. So I'm going to just add a bit more vinegar. Yeah, I like that reaction. Looks like it's doing something. Hopefully not damaging the fabric. So when you see that, you know it's doing something. Chemical reaction has occurred. Let's hope it's the right chemical reaction and not the one that messes it up. Towards the bottom of my jeans here, they're not that distinctive. So these, I feel like they should go easy. So I might add a bunch more because I'm going to do this once and I'm going to get good results in it. So there's a lot. You don't need this much, but it doesn't hurt to have more than what you need. And by the way, this is just extra now. I just wanted to like really make sure I cover all the stains and stuff.
So you know what, I'm going to leave it here for a while and then I'll come back to it later and then I'm going to wash it and then show you guys the final product. So I've let it soak in for like more than an hour And let's see. So before we start, I can kind of still see a couple of stains like here, the turmeric stains. It's kind of obvious there. But let's see how it goes when I wipe it, when I wash it. So from what I know, you're meant to use cold water. And yeah, I'm just gonna like, rub into it with cold water, that's it. So I'm gonna do just really get in there.
In the toothbrush. The way to go. You know what, like, I feel like it's really gone down there, but it's too soon to tell. Like, I want it to dry and then I'll show you guys again. And yeah, keep doing this. Keep scrubbing, people. Scrub.
So as you can see, I'm just literally squeezing all that fairy liquid off.
Dishwasher. Come on. A real gangster. Yes, a real gangster man. Ooh, one. Ooh. Yeah, there you go. That should do it. And
Let's have an immediate look at what it's looking like at the moment. Well, the stains were not on that side. It was here. And as you can see, there's still some soap on it. Let me see if I can. Well, it's definitely reduced, but you can still kind of see some of the marks. So yeah, I'm gonna let it dry off, and then I will update you guys. So this is basically the next day. I let it dry, and then this is the results. As you can see, it's gone down a little bit. So I guess the more you use it, the better results you get.